Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I dry my permed hair using my hairdryer. Okay, it wasn't supposed to on. So I've done a review of this hairdryer on my channel before, so I totally think that it's a perfect dupe for the Dyson hairdryer. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll link it over here, so go and watch it. It's like amazing. This hairdryer is amazing. I love it. It has transformed my life. Okay, anyway, so I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieve my curls. Okay, not really how I achieve my curls. I'll just be sharing with you guys how I dry my hair after I did a digital perm. So yeah, let's get started on the video. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I dry my permed hair. So I did my perm about a few months ago. It has been about 3 months since I did my digital perm. It's actually called Treatment Infused Perm. So far, I'm very pleased with the result because after so many months, I can still see my curls, which is pretty amazing. This is the tip that I actually got from my hairstylist. So he shared with me how I can actually dry my hair so that the curls can stay longer. Usually for perm, it only lasts for about 3 to 4 months, but so far my curls have been staying pretty well, pretty strong, I think. So I'm going to share with you guys how I've been drying my hair for the past 3 months when I have my perm hair. So I just washed my hair. So this is how my hair looks like after I wash it. Super messy. As I was saying, this is how my hair looks after I wash it. And before I dry my hair, I always go in with like oil or leave-in conditioner to make sure that the heat doesn't like damage my hair. So since I'm currently like not at home, this is the oil that I'm going to use for today. This is the argan oil. I'll first divide my hair into 2 sections. Then I'll pour a little bit of my hair and I'll just rub using my palm. So you want to like twist your hair like this so that your hair can be curly. And when you're applying the lotion or the oil, you want to like grab your hair like this so that it gives your hair more volume, or at least that's what I do. So I will just like twist my hair like that to ensure that like all sections of my hair can get the oil. So yeah. Then now moving on to the other side. Okay, this is a little bit too much. Okay, I love this oil. Not only it smells amazing, it doesn't make my hair like greasy or whatever. So moving on to this part of my hair. So same thing, I will twist it. Then I will apply the lotion to all parts of my hair. Then I will grab it from the end to give my hair more curls. Okay, so done applying the lotion. And now I will start to dry my hair. This is the hairdryer that I'll be using today, and I've already done a review on my channel. Not sure which video I'll be uploading like first, whether the review of this hairdryer or how I dry my perm hair. So yeah, you guys can just check out my channel and see which video that goes up first. I will always use like a clip like this to divide my hair into different sections so that at one time I only focus on like one specific part of my hair. So usually I will do like the bottom first. So I will like clip the top part of my hair and I will just twist. Then I will clip it using my shark claw clip, whatever it's called. Okay, then I will divide my hair, like which is the bottom section, into like 2 parts. So actually it looks like pretty straight now, only like the ends are curly. Probably like after 4 months, this is what happens. So how I curl my hair is that I will take this small section and I will follow the curl of my hair. Then I will twist about like 3 times. So after I've done that, I will just like put into my palm and I will use my hair dryer to blow. Usually when I feel it's 80% dry, then I'll stop. So this is a comparison between the 2 sides. So as you can see, this side obviously has more curls and more volume compared to this side, which is still wet. So now moving on to the other side. Okay, this side done also. So it looks so much better than just now, right? Okay, then the next part, usually I'll divide my hair into like 3 different sections. So now I will just clip the middle part of my hair to the top, and I'll continue drying those that I just let down. Okay, and same thing, I will twist it and I'll place it into my palm. Join the 2 sections together and I will dry them together. Okay, done with this side. So as you can see, the curls are more obvious than just now. I love this hair dryer. It's like a perfect dupe for Dyson. So if you're thinking of buying the Dyson hair dryer, I highly recommend you to check out my video first, because it's like so amazing. It can help you save like $500 or slightly less than that. That's amazing. And this is how my hair looks now. Moving on to the last part of my hair. So usually when I do it, it takes me about 10-15 minutes. So the top part is the most important, because you want to make sure that this part is where is the most curly. I think my hair is about 70-80% dry, and to finish everything I will always like go in with the oil again. But usually when I'm at home, I use different oil before and after I dry my hair. But since now I'm doing staycay, so I only brought one oil with me, so it shall do. So the other side. And after I perm my hair, one tip that I have is that I don't comb my hair like since forever. So the last time I combed my hair was probably like before I did the perm. I feel that not combing your hair really helps to like keep the curls like curlier. So unless you buy like those really big comb that doesn't like make your hair straight after you comb it. So yeah, that's one tip that I have, and I use it like the previous time when I comb my hair also. So let me show you guys how my hair looks like now. Of course now it's like 70-80% dry. It's not like completely dry. I'll show you guys the effect after it's like really 100% dry. So now my hair is like 70% dry, and this is how it looks. So as I was saying, the curls are still pretty curly considering the fact that it has been about 4 months old. Like, I didn't expect the curls to stay so long. Of course, it's not as curly as how it used to be, but I'm still very satisfied with how my hair looks now. Like, this is the best time actually. Like, it's not too curly, and this amount of curl are just nice. Like, it looks natural and it's not like too much. So I think it's perfect. Of course, I will like comb the top part of my hair because I have like baby hairs on top. Then other than that, I will just like leave it as it is. I won't do anything much to it after I dry my hair. And the next day, after I wake up, I will just like leave the house like this. So this is how I dry my permed hair, and I hope this tutorial, is it really a tutorial or a guide, has been helpful for anyone out there. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, or if there's any particular video that you would like to see from me, just comment down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, so this is how my hair looks now. It's completely dried, 100% dry. So this is how it looks like. Oh, these curls are like perfect because it's not like extremely curly, but it's not like too natural for my liking. So I think it's perfect. I love it. I hope like my hair just stays like this forever. So yeah. And I've already recorded the review of my hair dryer, which I'll link it over here. Go and watch. So yeah, bye!